okay. Okay. So, wave guys.
Cherry
Kuya.
blossom.
Sige, go. Punta yung cherry blossoms. So, cherry blossoms pala, oh. We have the famous Tokyo cherry blossoms. Nilinis pa yung Airbnb. So, because it's being cleaned.
Pero wala yung lakad eh.
Ay, hindi. Ano yun siya? Parang ano yun? Ah,
The river now takes some boat.
Is anong area nga to? Location cars? Sa Airbnb? Ah, this is Taito City. Yan. We're in Taito City. We're staying here for only one night because we'll be taking the Shinkansen tomorrow to Kyoto. We'll go here. Ito may shrine pa dito, oh. Ay, tourist shrine. Pwede, oh. You can check. Ganda. Impressive. This is the tourist shrine.
parang may late, ano? Gitna. Gitna.
Ano ba to?
Ano, dalawa kaya ano?
Very colorful talaga. What about this guy? He is a politician. Ano? This one also running for public office. Mukhang magkalaban to, ah. Blue and green. Okay. Then there's a karaoke. Yakai. My life. Tingnan. Bigyan mo ako ng kuhan, kuya. Pocari. Ha? Yung 1,000 pwede. Ah, wala ba? Ayan yung 1,000 bill, oh.
Parang ka-change ka yun. Gusto mo?
Sige. May 1,000. Ayan na, Aquarius na ako.
Yeah.
Aquarius. Insert mo yung ayan. How to ayan. That's 1,000 na lang. How to buy from
Okay, sige.
ayan. Insert to 1,000.
Alam mo na, itong Aquarius mo.
Aquarius na. Unahin ko lang pindot yung kuha talaga.
Pwede ba multiple?
Oh,
Ay, hindi.
isa mo
Once
na.
ka lang.
Ay, teka. Ah, tama. Aquarius na. Okay na. Pasok. So, may change ka na sa akin.
Yep.
Pindutin mo. Ay, ito. Hindi mo pinindot. Yan. Okay. That's my Aquarius. That's my favorite na drink ngayon sa Japan.
Okay.
Then, coin. Okay. Pasok kami. Okay. Stop.